think social media is just for fun. Think again. Here are 8 ways to make serious cash online. First up, become an influencer. Share your passions, build a loyal following, and brands will pay you to promote their products. Next, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission on every sale through your unique link. Sell products or services. Got a talent or business? Use social media to showcase and sell directly to your followers. YouTube monetization is another goldmine. Earn through ads, memberships, and super chats by creating engaging videos. Offer paid subscriptions or exclusive content. Platforms like Patreon let your superfans support you directly. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Your authentic voice is valuable to companies wanting to reach your audience. Utilize Instagram's paid partnerships feature. Tag brands transparently and earn more with genuine collaborations. Finally, host virtual events or webinars. Share your expertise and charge for access. So, which money-making method will you try first? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.